Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I am back with some new resource. And this time, some GitHub repos regarding data science. So, if you are someone who know data science or working with data science or want to learn, just start in the field of data science. So, this repository will be very much helpful for you. So, I have listed 10 repos, and I will be sharing one by one, and you guys can explore this repository and learn stuff from this, so it will be valuable for you all, right? So the first repository is by Microsoft. It is data science for beginners. So here 10 weeks 20 lessons and data science for all, they have listed in a very proper way, so that even if you are a beginner you can just start out and follow this thing, and you will be getting to know more about data science and brush up your skills, right? So data science for beginners, a curriculums, all these things you can read out. Okay, are you a student or all, getting started? Then lessons, whatever lessons they have listed, you can just click and explore this repository, and just learn data about data science, right? Different things you have to learn while being in the field of data science. So these are the lessons they have listed, and you can click this out and explore this website. I mean, GitHub repository, and yeah, I will not explore. Just wanted to tell you guys so that it will be beneficial for you all. Okay, just explore and just learn about data science. Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is JDNS data science your way. Okay, so it is also a very valuable GitHub repo I found. And here also ways of doing data science, engineering, and machine learning in R and Python. So machine learning and data science regarding R and Python. So they have listed some things like tutorials are there, applications, and even if you are well known in data science, if you know already data science, you can contribute more in this GitHub repo. And if you are a beginner and intermediate, you can learn from these tutorials and application, whatever they have listed. Okay, so just explore this GitHub repository, and it will be helpful for you all, right? Moving forward to the next GitHub repository, that is RAS Go Intelligence Feature Engineering Tutorials. So data science feature engineering and selection tutorials. So I don't know much about data science, so I guess you guys can learn about these things and know what these things are. Okay, so data cleaning, feature provide profiling, feature selection, feature transformation, all these things they have listed. And then tutorials, all the table of content they have just you can click out and explore this GitHub repo. Okay, now whatever things like feature profiling, data cleaning, feature transformation, whatever things are there in data science, like model selection, all these things. So you can explore this GitHub repo pretty much. They have listed good things, and you can learn these things. Okay, some video tutorials are also there, they will be coming out, so you can just explore this GitHub repository, right? Moving further to the next GitHub repository, that is by Osu Data Science. So path to a free self-taught education in data science, right? So it is pretty famous, and Osu means Open Source Society University. So it is free of totally, and you can just learn data about data science from this GitHub repository. So these are the contents about curriculum they have listed. Then all these things like introduction to data science, computer science, even if you're pure beginner, you can follow this GitHub repository. Like they have listed some important data structures, databases, then all this stuff, linear algebra, statistics. Okay, whatever needed to be a pro in data science, they have listed everything from beginner to pro. So you can just explore this GitHub repository and learn. Okay, single variable calculus, multivariable calculus, all those things they have listed. Okay, so I will just ask to explore by giving some time, and you will get to know whatever they have listed and learn things from here. Okay, So moving further to the next GitHub repository, that is awesome data science by academic. So an awesome data science repository to learn and apply for real world problems. So this is also very useful GitHub repo regarding data science, right? So awesome data science, and then these are the table of contents. They have listed tutorials, free courses, online courses, then whatever things like algorithm, deep learning packages, books, right? So pretty knowledgeable and pretty content uh, this GitHub repository have, and I will suggest to explore and give some time, learn these things from here, and it will really help you all. What is data science? All these things. Okay, all these things they have listed in a very pretty structured way, so it will help you all. Whatever thing you guys like, you have to know like Python, Anaconda, Skitlearn, NumPy, Seaborn. Okay, whatever these things are, you can just explore. Tutorials they have listed, free courses they have listed. Okay, MOOCs, intensive programs, colleges, then all these things like supervised, unsupervised learning, and all these things, semi-supervised. So if you are into this thing, into this domain like data science, you have to know these things, and they have listed in a very structured way. Okay, so just explore this GitHub repo, general machine learning packages, TensorFlow, machines tools. It's pretty long GitHub repo. I will not explore everything, right? It's just because of the time, but I will ask you all to explore. They have listed books, journals, and all those things. Okay, podcasts are also there, right? So if you podcasts related to data science, YouTube channels and all those things. Okay, Facebook accounts, Twitter accounts to follow people who are into data science. So pretty much big GitHub repo, and I will really suggest you all to explore this thing. Okay, Telegram channels and fun other stuff are there also. Data sets if you need to work in projects related to data science, right? You need data sets, and for that they have listed where you can find data sets. Awesome lists. So pretty much great GitHub repo. So okay, so I will just suggest you to explore, and very much important GitHub repo. Okay, other GitHub repos I have shared till now, they are also important, and this is also important. Just explore, give some time, whatever they have listed, and it will really help you out in getting shine in the field of data science. Okay, so moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is data science all cheat sheet. Okay, so data science all cheat sheet by Yash 42828, and nothing description related, I don't know why. So pretty much content they have listed, right? Data engineering, data mining, data visualization, AI, DevOps, machine learning. So a lot of things are there listed, and also data science also listed. Okay, so I don't know, I'm not into data science, but I guess if you're into data science, you have to have a knowledge of all the other things also. So they have listed whatever they have you have to know if you are into data science, like mathematics, Python, R, and all those things, and all the cheat sheet. Okay, so you can just explore this thing. Moving forward, data science interview resources. So if you are in well known into data science now, right now, and you are just sitting for some interview, so whatever resources you need, whatever things, whatever questions you need to practice to be well master the interview. Okay, so for that, this is the very right GitHub repo. So a repository listing of the potential sources which will help you in preparing data science or machine learning interview. Okay, so how to get in interview, they have listed the process you can get, how you can get the interview, some tips regarding the resume, then things you have to master that are mostly asked in data science interviews, like probability, statistics, SQL data equation, data preparation, then machine learning algorithms. Okay, the MCDs, unsupervised, supervised learning, deep learning. case studies, NLP, engineering and employment, beat data, spark, and some general interview questions. You can follow these things. Okay, so it will really help you out to master interview and crack a big job in the field of data science. So just explore this GitHub repo. Okay, so okay, moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is data science Python notebooks. So it is by Don Martin. Okay, so this is also pretty old GitHub repo, as you can see, 9 years, 7 years long back. But they have listed very good resources like analysis, AWS, deep learning, Kaggle, Matplotlib, Python, Pandas, all the things that are needed to get into data science or work in projects related to data science. So you can just explore a bit. They have listed the index also, then deep learning, all those stuff. Okay, TensorFlow tutorials, theory tutorials, Keras tutorials. So these are the things you have to work on in data science, and these are the tutorials you can follow. Skitlearn, statistical inference, sci-fi, pandas, all those things, matplotlib. Okay, then Python data, Kaggle business, Spark, AWS commands, misc, queries, then other things are listed, so you can pretty much explore, and they have listed some great resources here, uh, tutorials regarding every other Python, like pandas and all those things. So you can explore this thing, right? Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is DS cheat sheets, like data science cheat sheets, and it is also very famous. As you can see, 12.6k stars. And data science cheat sheets, other like Python cheat sheets, R cheat sheets, big data, machine learning, deep learning, SQL, data visualization, business science, and data camp, Python data camp. Then I don't know what these things are. I'm not into this domain, but just trying to like help you out. Python crash course, some crash course regarding Python if you don't know Python. Then other things related to data science thing. Okay, Python CA, whatever they have listed like in a picture way. Okay, these are the links: RStudio, Math and Calculus. So all those things, as I have covered in the past GitHub repos also, you guys have to know these things if you are into data science, and you can make use of this GitHub repo also. Right. These are the formulas and all those stuff you have to know. Big data, then Anaconda. Okay, supervised and supervised learnings. Okay, I guess they have just give the picture of books. Okay, so you have to don't have to go to the book, just you can get out from here only. Okay, hacks, tips, choosing right model, neural network cells. Okay, so pretty much long, and just give some time explore, and it will be helpful for you. SQL. Okay, then data visualization in Python, all those whatever Python codes, whatever you have to write, right? So you can make use of these things, right? It is helpful for you all, right? Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, data science cheat sheet, and it is the last one. Okay, so it is by Aaron Wangi, and a helpful 5-page machine learning cheat sheet to assist with exam reviews, interview preparation, and anything in between. So it is also famous, and if you are into data science interview or preparation like exam giving related to data science, it will be helpful for you, these cheat sheets. Okay, so all those things they have listed here. Okay, links, and then data science cheat sheet, all the cheat sheets they have listed. I guess the last GitHub repo, this was also regarding cheat sheets. Okay, but and this one is also related to cheat sheet, so you can follow these things, explore a bit this PDF they have listed. Okay, so you can follow these things, you can explore these things, give some time, learn. about data science. Even if you're a beginner, don't panic. You can learn completely from the GitHub, this GitHub repository, whatever I have listed. If you're intermediate, you can grow your skills. And if you're into fully know data science, working data in data science for some period of time and want to get into some company, want to excel interviews and related to data science, then you can make use of this GitHub repository. Like they have listed some great cheat sheets for the interview preparation, some tips and all those things. So hold together in whatever stage you are into right now. Okay, it will help you out to excel in the field of data science, these GitHub repositories. And I hope you guys can make use of these things, and see you good luck to get some good offers related to data science. And I hope this video is helpful for you all. I will be back in some next video with some very great resource. Till then, just enjoy and keep supporting me. I'll be back in the next video. Till then, have a great day.